Okay, got this back apart. And it looks like I could come in each direction at least a quarter of an inch and still be pretty good. It'll be easy to bring these in for the sides. Camera up. Looks like these will be easy to bring in. This, I would have to actually cut these down, which I could do. It wouldn't be hard. About an 1/8 inch off each way, each side. That'll be an 1/8 inch closer. Okay, got them all back apart. Sawed them again, made them a little shorter. Actually, I set it up for an 1/8, and then 1/8 plus the width of the blade. So it's pretty close to a quarter. I actually cut off. Now I've got to drill my new holes because my old ones are too close to the edge now. So I've got a saw. I got a drill. I will put it about there. About there. And it'll be, well, close to where the other ones were. I don't think it'll be exact, but it'll be closer. Okay, I'm going to stop the camera and drill the rest. Those ended up too close to the edge and actually split this board. So what I did is I went back and I moved them in some more. Also, I made them to where they didn't line up. After I thought, well, I didn't want to put them back in the same hole, and some of them were going to end up in the same hole. So I thought I'd just move them over this way a little bit so they wouldn't line up the same hole. But then I moved them in again a little bit more. So now I should be able to just nail them down. Like that. Now I gotta pick up my nails. Alright, looks like I'm good on this side and on that side, but I'm too tight on these two sides. So now I've got to go back and figure out how to put a shim in here and probably over here. Like, move this over, put a shim in over here. Now I got my shim in, goes over here, one over here, and goes up and down, plenty of space. Okay, I went and nailed the bottom down. My little girl made me a bracelet. And nailed the bottom down, and it definitely did not turn. So what I did was stuck pliers on it, turn it, got it freed up. I already did that earlier. And now I've got to put the top piece on. Make sure it will still turn. nails are going crooked. You see I hit my thumb. Alright. Outside to outside. Outside to outside. You see, I broke that one off, so I scan it back out again. Let's see. Oh, heard that one wrong. Okay, I'll sort back the wiring out and get back with you. Alright, I figured it out. It was left to left and right to right. I've got to skin this one back up because I broke the end of it off. Now we'll see if we get better voltage out of it. Again, we're on AC. I'll spin it by hand. Get 1/10 of a volt. That's much better than I was getting. Now I guess I'll put a bridge on it and a capacitor and see what kind of voltage it builds up. Yeah, I wish I had a 1/2 inch drill. Spin it with the drill instead of my hand.